Yay! 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 Uy, excited naman.
Introducing the husky family, starting with Polly, the princess of the family who enjoys eating, napping, and going on adventures. Next up is Kobe, the prince of the family, always chatty, full of energy, a bit possessive, but oh so sweet. Then there's Bella, Polly's daughter, the youngest member of the family, talkative, playful, and absolutely adorable. And let's not forget about Momi and Dottie, the loving fur parents who shower Polly, Kobe, and Bella with care and affection.
Oh, bakit? Iniwan ka ng daddy? Asaan ang daddy? Apo. Oh, awa naman. Oh, pahabol-habol ka. Asaan? Ayun, daddy, oh. Daddy. Ayun. Ayun. Oh, naman. Oh, dito ka lang daw. Magkaalis. Raw niya yung motor, ha? Opo. Habol-habol ka na naman. Sama ka daw? Oh. Sama? Oo. Sama daw siya sa'yo. Wala naman dati ang layo-layo. Oo, nasa taas siya. Oo, mamaya pa. Sama daw? Nasama ka? Abol-abol mo, daddy. Naka doon. Ayun, daddy, oh. Tawag daddy. Ayun, tali, oh. Ayun. Oh. Ayun na, daddy, oh. Oo. Hindi pa rin niya papaandar. Sama daw siya. Masarado man. Yay! Yay! Excited. Oh, ikaw na excited sa daddy mo. Oh, tuwan-tuwa eh. Oh, dali na, kiss na. Kiss na, daddy. Wow, napaka-sweet naman talaga. Sige na. Pasok na. Wow. Di kayo na talaga ang close. Oo, alam ko, kayo nga ang close. Aminado, nagsasalita ka pa sa akin eh.
Thanks for tuning in. To subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.